Why do people roll their ceilings, and why do some people just spray them and say that it's fine, and anybody who rolls them is just wasting their time? There's a couple of reasons for that. One's ethical. Now, if you just spray your ceilings, you really do risk them peeling later. It won't peel from the actual painter who sprayed them, it'll peel for the next painter. You know, that's the problem, and it'll be all furry. They'll have to sand them after they spray them, and people say, oh, you need to put the sealer on. As long as you roll that first coat, you don't actually need that sealer. I seal all the wet areas, and it's only a little house, so I'm using a sealer on here anyhow, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to do it. I'm just doing it because, you know, because I'm doing it. But really it's a bit like, you know, people who just spray the ceilings. It's not illegal to do it, but I think it's not ethical to just spray your ceilings. It's a lot quicker and easier just to spray your ceilings, and the most painters will actually just do that, but it's not ethical. It's a lot like not having sarking underneath tiled roofs, which is not illegal, but it's not ethical, because it might be fine for a few years, but as soon as you get a cracked tile, you're going to have water in your house. And it's the same principle as this. Now, it can get that bad. Now, this is how serious it is. I know you're thinking it's not serious, but it's that serious that if this ceiling or these ceilings in houses start to peel, there is no fixing them whatsoever. You can pick it back and plaster it, but it will keep peeling for the rest of your life until you sell that miserable house. The only way to fix it is to rip all the ceilings down and replace them with new ceilings and repaint it properly. That is the only way. I've seen it so many times, so many times. So a simple little fix like getting the painter to roll the first coat could save you $10,000 or $20,000. I'm telling you, that is the honest truth. Once these ceilings start to peel, they will just keep peeling and you will not be able to stop them. The only place they won't peel is on the gyprock plaster joints, like these ones here. They won't peel on them if they spray them because there's no fibres there. But there's fibres there, so when they spray it just sticks to it. Underneath the microscope there's billions of little fibres. The paint just sticks to the tips of them. Next painter comes along, puts a roller up there, breaks those tips off, and it will start peeling a month after that painter has left. He will get the blame, but it wasn't him. And nobody will believe anybody, but you've just, you know, created a $10,000 or $20,000 worth of damage to your house just by spraying them. If you can imagine your house, all new carpets, you're living in there happy, you've been in there 8 years, and you just want to spruce the place up, make it look nice, so you hire a good painter, he comes in, he uses a roller and a brush, puts a coat on, and then he's gone for a month, and then you start to see it peeling and lifting in different spots. So you call him back. He's not the problem. The problem is the first painter. When you're doing a new home like this here, so this is a new home, new gyprock, never been painted. Now I have spray gun sitting out there in the truck. I could easily bring it out, cover up my windows and spray these ceilings, but I choose to roll them. So we're using the roller tray and just the 360 lamb's wool. And I'm going to do that just to force the paint in. So you can see all the rooms have been done. Force that paint in for the first coat, and I'll spray and roll my second coat. It's only a little place, probably 100 square meters, but yeah, that's what you want to do. I mean, it's so simple. Don't think that you've got to spray it, because you really don't have to. Now it'll probably only take me about 10 minutes to actually roll this ceiling here. Now this paint has had 10% of water added just to make it easier to roll. Just remember, it's not illegal, but it's unethical. And some painters don't even know.
Bitch, I'm going too fast, I might crash in the road. We got big Louis bags and your chick do the most. Guess she had her last laugh when she left me alone. With your bitch I played past, had to smash on your hoe. I don't even feel bad, got the devil on my shoulder. I can't wait for the day to send checks.
So I hope that explains to you the importance of rolling that first coat. It's unethical to spray first coat without back rolling it. And don't let them tell you that they're going to back roll on the second coat, because even though it's better than nothing, it's still not the correct way to do it, because you need to get all that wet paint merged together, get all those fibres to be pushed together. And if they're already dry, you're really not pushing them together, are you?
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your color shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. Don't want you back. No matter distance I cover, you always there to smother. Please let me find another. My silhouette, I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met. I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what you're